Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today we're going to be working with a little bit of color. I'm going to start with Orchid. I'm going to pour that whole bottle into the tub of hot water. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir it and mix it all up to make sure it's saturated evenly throughout the water. Next, I'm going to take this 613 13x4 lace front wig from Beauty and Beast in hair, and I'm just going to dip in the ends only, probably go like midway on the wig. I'm not going to submerge the whole wig in the water just yet. Now in a fresh tub of hot water, I'm going to take the color Pink Petal and apply the whole bottle as well. Now I'm going to take the whole wig and place it and press it down into the water so that it covers all the rest of the 613 hair. Now I'm going to take some fuchsia and just add a little bit to the water, to that same water. You don't have to get a fresh bucket. Add it to that, stir it around, and dip the wig back into the water. So after I got it submerged, I did allow it to sit for at least about 20 minutes. And then I came back in and I rinsed it all out. I did not use any shampoo, so I just used cold water to get the color off. Do not use hot because you don't want to take your color off that you just applied. And this is what it should look like. So now I'm going to take a stocking cap and apply it to her head, and then I'm going to cut some ear holes so that this cap will lay even flatter when I put the Got to Be Free spray on, and when I cut it off it doesn't really roll up too much. And then I'm going to proceed to putting her makeup on so we can create her ball cap. So now I'm going to take my blow dryer to seal that makeup into place because it was liquid. After that, I'm going to take my shears and cut off that extra cap. You want to get close to the hairline as possible, but not too close because you don't want any of the glue on her hair. Don't worry about that cap rolling back or not sealing into place like you want it. That first layer is going to allow it to melt into her skin. But for now, we're going to take some alcohol and clean off her skin. And then I'm going to take some Bold Hold Skin Protects, and I'm going to go back across her forehead so that we may protect her skin from this glue and this lace. Now I'm going to take the Bold Hold glue and I'm just going to run a couple dots across the hairline, or across the cap rather, and then I'm going to smooth it back with my comb, and then I'm going to allow it to dry for a few minutes until it dries clear, and I'm going to apply 2 more coats onto her head. Now I'm going to take her makeup and apply it to the wig because this wig, the lace on it does not match her skin tone. So taking makeup helps that without having to tint it. So now for the fun part, I'm going to take that wig and I'm going to press it into place. And I'm going to have her hold it so that it can dry and stick. And then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just kind of comb through and press it down even more. While she's holding that, I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity to go ahead and sew down the back of her wig to her head because she's not going to be taking it off. Now I'm going to take some elastic band and I'm going to run it across her hairline so that it'll press and seal that lace into her head even more. I did let her sit under the dryer for a few seconds before I decided to take it off. So now I'm going to take my shears and just cut a split down the middle and work from side to side using my brow razor to cut as close to the hairline as possible, being careful not to cut my client. Take your time, you guys. So let's proceed to styling this wig. So we're going to go for an asymmetrical bob, like a short one. I know this hair is long, but we decided to do it shorter. So I'm just going to go ahead and style and cut her hair, and then we're going to proceed to flat ironing. But before all of that, I'm going to take my Care wax stick and just kind of go over where her part is and where I needed to lay the hair over the lace in the back. And I want to take this small high comb and just kind of go through it. Be careful with the wax stick, y'all, because it can get real greasy and we don't want stiff hair. I'm going to add her a few baby hairs, not too much, not too drastic. Then I'm going to go over the part a little bit and widen it just a tidbit. I tried it with the what are things called? The tweezers. Yeah, I tried to pluck it with the tweezers, but baby, they was not budging. So this is why you see me kind of doing it by hand and pulling and plucking it myself. The part is not that big, so it's not going to make that big of a difference. I just wanted to widen it just a little bit. Now I'm going to take some foam wrap and I'm going to lay all of that down with my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to proceed to put a wrap on her head and allow her to sit under the dryer again for maybe like 10 minutes before I proceed to cutting and styling. Now we're back from the dryer. I'm going to leave that wrap on while I proceed to cut and style her hair. So now I'm just going to go in with my shears and clean it up to give it a more blunt look. OMG, look at that color. It blends so nicely. And who said that dark skinned girls can't wear colors? Like, we popping out with all the colors, honey. I'm here for it. So if you're feeling this cut, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know when I upload videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted. Also, please follow me on all my other social media sites at Hair by Mika on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys on the next video.